The Family Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women currently working in the trades. We talked to painter and stud hugger inventor Jenny McCarthy about why she considers Instagram a must-use tool and why she thinks other women in the trades should too.
I went on Instagram about a year or so ago, and I'm under, stud hugger and whatever else, but I do a lot of the painting. That's just me. But I also put, my personal stuff out there. They know my dogs and blah, 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 because you want to know that that other person is real, because the people that I follow and follow me, for the most part, they're doing the same thing. But what's neat about Instagram is it's so beneficial for people in the trades. And I think especially for women, because if they can start following women who are in the trades, and then those women will follow them, the amount of advice that is out there. And then you get to see different projects, but you also get to see these women driving home from work going, man, was that a son of a of a day? And then she, they go into it or whatever. And they're also posting pictures of their jobs or what took place on a job site, running into a guy that was mouthing off at them, but it's real life things that they can connect to, and they're going to get support like that. It's incredible. So it's a huge thing. And I'm hoping that whoever sees this, that they would go out and start searching out other painters.